The maneuvers you'll see demonstrated here this afternoon are coordinated tactical techniques developed by Navy and Marine Corps pilots in both peacetime training and actual combat. These maneuvers are neither stunts nor daring feats, but are refinements of basic techniques taught to every prospective naval aviator. Here in North Kingstown, we will demonstrate these maneuvers at very low altitude in traditional Blue Angel formation, so that you may see and take pride in the precise fashion in which your Navy and Marine Corps pilots are trained to fly. Now, direct your attention to the ramp before you and observe the military manner in which the 6 demonstration pilots approach their aircraft and are saluted by their crew chiefs. Ladies and gentlemen, Flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels, from Clinton Township, Michigan, Captain Tom Frosch. Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman, from Honolulu, Hawaii, Lieutenant Matt Siderhoud. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman, from Sedan, Kansas, Lieutenant Andy Talbot. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot, from Hummelstown, Pennsylvania, Lieutenant Commander Nate Barton. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo, from Charleroi, Pennsylvania, Lieutenant Commander Mark Tedrow. Flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo, from Bloomington, Illinois, Lieutenant Ryan Chamberlain. As the crew chiefs assist the pilots into their jets, you are witnessing the teamwork found in all Navy and Marine Corps units. The Blue Angels also take a great deal of pride in personifying the Navy and Marine Corps values of honor, courage, and commitment. For more information on our support crews and pilots, we invite you to follow us on social media, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. There you can get exclusive pictures and video, as well as a behind-the-scenes look at our organization and how we operate. The Navy's Flight Demonstration Squadron, the Blue Angels, is the oldest performing U.S. military aviation demonstration team. Since 1946, the Blue Angels have brought naval aviation to men and women of all ages across America. We were first based at Naval Air Station Jacksonville, Florida, flying F-6F Hellcats. We continued flying Grumman Corporation aircraft for 22 years, transitioning in late 1946 to the more powerful and faster F-8F Bearcat. In 1950, we transitioned to jet aircraft with the straight-wing F-9F2 Panther, predecessor of the swept-wing F-9F8 Cougar, which we received in 1955. In 1957, the Blue Angels became equipped with high-performance aircraft with the arrival of the supersonic F-11F Tiger. In 1969, we received the McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom and flew this supersonic jet until 1974, when we transitioned to the A-4 Skyhawk. We are now in our 29th year of flying the highly sophisticated Boeing F-A-18 Hornet. The pilots and crew chiefs will now start the General Electric engines that power the F-18. The noise level will soon become too high for you to hear a description of the checks they will be performing. However, please note that each aircraft was carefully inspected by expert Blue Angel maintenance personnel prior to this afternoon's aerial demonstration. The Blue Angels fly the Boeing F-A-18 Hornet, a multi-mission strike fighter, versions of which have been operational throughout the fleet since 1983.
Lima heading 250. Check your altimeter set 3011. Corrected center point elevation 0 feet. Check your bear warning 0. Check your SPS. 12, 30, 30, 34 now. Check your field. Check your seat arm. Lights up. Hey, awesome. Check your smoke pressure on. Smoke on. Bye-bye. Up there, Rhode, 22017. Testing is 22. Boss, RO2, 12 to VFR. You are clear to taxi via Alpha 2. Back taxi runway 1634. Laudable runway 16. Thanks, follow motorway runway 16.
taxi in tight formation, just as you'll see them perform here this afternoon. This degree of precision has become a trademark of the Blue Angels since first established 69 years ago. 17 officers and 100 enlisted personnel comprise the Navy Flight Demonstration Squadron. Pilots 1 through 4 fly in the diamond formation, displaying the precision flying required of Navy and Marine Corps aviators, while pilots 5 and 6 fly as solos, demonstrating the maximum performance capability of the aircraft. Once again, I'm Captain Jeff Coos from Durango, Colorado, Blue Angel number 7, the narrator for the flight demonstration, as well as the pilot for the key influencers and media personnel we normally fly at each show site. Blue Angel number 8, Captain Corey Mays from Marston's Mills, Massachusetts, is the Squadron Naval Flight Officer and Events Coordinator. Commander Bob Flynn from Morristown, New Jersey, serves as the Squadron Executive Officer. Lieutenant Commander Declan Hartney, our maintenance officer, from Limerick, Ireland, is responsible for the men, women, and equipment that keep our aircraft flying.